Which cat breed survives the African savanna the longest? Persian. 40 minutes. Floor-length fur traps heat in 40-degree sun. It can't see through its own coat. A vulture circles before the first hour. A most expensive cat on Earth becomes the easiest meal on the savanna. Sphinx. 3 hours. No fur. No UV protection. Sunburn in 30 minutes. Blisters by hour 2. A jackal finds it in the only shade for a mile. Bred to be naked. Naked doesn't work here. Siamese. 2 days. Lean, vocal, aggressive. It hisses at a honey badger. The honey badger doesn't care. It has never cared. Grabs the Siamese by the neck and it's done. The loudest cat on Earth picked a fight with the one animal that has never lost one. Bengal. 2 weeks. Leopard cat DNA still in its veins. Hunts birds and lizards by night. Hides in tall grass by day, but a python senses its body heat from 6 feet away. Wraps it in the dark. Coils squeeze tighter with every exhale. Muscle means nothing against something that doesn't let you breathe. Maine Coon. 3 months. 12 kilos. Biggest domestic cat alive. Intimidates jackals. Outruns monitor lizards. But the savanna stacks damage. Ticks carry disease. Flies lay eggs under the skin. The immune system built for a heated apartment collapses under 1,000 tiny infections. No vet is coming to treat. Savanna cat still hunting. Half serval, 25 pounds of hybrid muscle that jumps 8 feet and sprints 35 miles per hour. A leopard stalks it for an hour. The savanna cat knows. It always knows. Ears rotating. Legs coiled, gone before the paw lands. $16,000 of designer breeding accidentally recreated what Africa